There's a difference between having artificial turf and maintaining it beautifully. Over time, leaves settle in. Dust works its way down. The fibers begin to lay flat. And even the most expensive turf starts to look ordinary. This is where everything changes. Introducing the Turf Power Sweep. Watch closely. It doesn't just push debris aside. It reaches down into the turf, lifting, restoring, reviving every blade. You can actually see it grabbing the leaves and bringing the lawn back to life. Pause as the clean strip reveals itself. Look at the difference. Color returns, texture returns. The fibers stand tall again. This isn't cleaning, it's restoration. When you've invested thousands into your outdoor space, maintenance isn't optional, it's protection. Because luxury isn't about installation, it's about upkeep. Most homeowners rely on a leaf blower, but a blower moves debris. The Turf Power Sweep removes it. And the difference is visible. If your turf matters, maintain it like it does. Turf Power Sweep. Because beautiful turf should stay beautiful.